Hello little friends, Namaste. Today we are going to learn Hindi vowels with simple easy words. Let's learn together and have fun. Ah, say with me. Ah. Says anar. Says anar. Anar means pomegranate. Anar means pomegranate. Repeat me. Says arm. Says arm. Arm means mango. Arm means mango. Repeat me. E says imli. E says imli. Imli means tamarind. Imli means tamarind. E. Repeating. E. E says eek. E says eek. Eek means sugar can. Eek means sugar can. Ullu. U says ullu. Ullu means owl. Ullu means owl. Oo. Say with me loudly. Oo. Un. U says un. Un means ul. Ul. Kr. Repeat me. Kr. Kr says krishi. Kr says krishi. Krishi says sage. Krishi means sage. Krishi means sage. Say with me. A says egg. A says egg. Egg means one. Egg me one. Number one. I say ainak. I say ainak. Say with me. Ainak. Say with me. Oakley. O says Oakley. Motor. Oakley means motor. Aurat. Au says aurat. Aurat means woman. Aurat means woman. Say with me. Angur. Says angur. Says angur. Angur means grapes. Angur means grapes. Aha. Say with me. Aha. Duk. Aha means duk. Duk means sorrow. Duk means sorrow. I, u, kr, I, o, aha. Very good, cuties. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க குட்டீஸ். இன்னொரு வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கலாம். நன்றி.